6 new body serums with Hyaluronic Fusion technology. Could this be real life? Is this too good to be true? I'm gonna put these products to the test. Hi everybody, thank you for watching. I am in my bedroom and I have a really exciting video planned for today. This is gonna be a 2-part video. I am gonna do the first part today, next part in 2 weeks to give real honest results, but it's been a while since I've done like unboxings and first impressions and all of that, and I haven't been this excited to try a new product in a very, very long time. So the brand that I'm going to be unboxing today is Maelys. So I actually bought their bundle of body products probably like 2 years ago. I think I saw someone talking about it on TikTok, and it's different like tightening products for your bum and your stomach and all that. And now that I've had Lorenzo, there's a lot of different body concerns that I have now that I obviously didn't have prior, such as like some looser skin on my stomach. And I originally was planning on trying out a laser for tightening, but since it's summer, I'm gonna hold off on that for now. And I'm really, really excited to try some of these new products because I was looking at the pamphlet that came in the box and it just seems very exciting to me. So let me just read what each of these are. We have the Restart, which is the resurfacing body serum. Helps to leave the skin feeling silky smooth and bump free. We have Revamp, which is the plumping body serum. Anything with the word plumping is for me. Helps to visibly hydrate and boost the skin and amplify the look of target areas. We have Relure. Oh, this thing's heavy. It's like a workout in itself. Relure, which is the Tighten Tone body serum, which also is definitely gonna be the one that I'm trying first. Helps to reduce the appearance of cellulite and fade the appearances of stretch marks. The Reset, which helps to reduce the appearance of body blemishes. Reshine, which helps improve the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. Love that. And last but not least, we have Resolve, which is the Age-Defying body serum to help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I take my skincare routine for my face like very, very seriously. So to see these body serums launch, I feel like not only is this new for the Maelys brand, but I feel like this is like opening up a whole new world for body care in general, and I'm all for it. So I cannot wait to try some of these products. I think I'm gonna pick like 3 to try, and then I'll check back in like 2 weeks and let you guys know how I am feeling about them. So all of these serums have Hyaluronic Fusion technology, which just means that the serums can better deliver the active ingredients into your skin. I cannot wait to try these products. So the Restart serum is one that stood out to me. I want to try this. Ooh, it smells good. It smells really good. So the Restart is to help the skin feel silky and smooth and to get rid of any bumps. So I don't know if anybody else is like me, but I'm gonna actually put it on right now. The back of my arms, I always get these little bumps for some reason, and I never knew what it was from. It's not all the time. I wonder if it's from working out though, like just sweating. I don't really know. This smells like blueberries. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells amazing. So that one actually really stood out to me because that's one of my concerns, especially like I said on the back of my arms. So it's saying to just apply the serum to the target areas and massage in circular motions until fully absorbed and used twice daily. So I have no problem adding this to my skincare routine because I have a very strict skincare routine where I do morning and night. So I'm just gonna add these to my to-do list because if these really do what they say they do, this is a game changer in the industry, and I'm proud that I'm one of the first people that get to try it. The other serum that also really stood out to me was the Relure, the Tighten Tone body serum, which is this orange one here. Same thing, twice daily. And the area that I want to focus on, I'm gonna be out of frame for a minute, is my stomach. So obviously ever since I had Lorenzo, I did lose the baby weight and I have been working out, but my skin still on my stomach is still a little bit loose, and I mean obviously it's inevitable. I do not have stretch marks on my stomach from my pregnancy. That was my first application. We're gonna do it before and after. This one smells like oranges, which I actually really love. So this one also says it's good for cellulite and stretch marks. So So I got a lot of stretch marks during my pregnancy, especially on my hips. That's where I have the most like cellulite and stretch marks. During my pregnancy, I was like a maniac with different oils and body balms to make sure I didn't get stretch marks on my stomach. But I think it's really just hereditary because as much as I used on my stomach, I also did my hips and my butt. And my hips and my butt are like one big giant stretch mark. So let's see how that one works. And the other one that really stands out, although I really want to try all of them, I'll probably end up using all of them anyway. The Age-Defying Body Serum to help improve appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which is Resolve. This I just want everywhere, all over my body. So when I get out of the shower, I could probably put this head to toe. I'm gonna pump a couple on my hands because I want to smell this one. Because this I literally want everywhere, like even my hands. This one smells really good too. But that's one thing I will say about the Maelys brand, that all of their products that I've used in the past, they just smell so delicious. So I'm just gonna put these on my arms so I'm not getting naked this entire video. This feels so nice on the skin, and I feel like I look like super hydrated and moisturized, which is always the goal. So along with this PR, I did get a whole pamphlet of before and after photos. So I have very high hopes for this product. I will be back in 2 weeks to check in and let you guys know how I'm feeling and if they're really working for me, because I have very high hopes, but we shall see. So stay tuned. I'll be back in 2 weeks to give you guys my update. Okay, now that I can see the side-by-side comparison, look at the skin where my belly button ring is. I feel like that's like a huge difference. Okay, so 2 weeks have now passed. I have been using the Relure, Resolve, and Restart twice a day. I added them into my daily skincare routine, and I just showed a close-up of my stomach, so I'm excited to put them side by side because I really do feel like I see a difference. And I don't know if that's just because I'm super hopeful and I've been using them very religiously, but I really do almost feel like my skin seems a little bit tighter, which is huge. And not only that, but these serums smell so delicious. And one thing that I've always kind of steered away from was products with too much fragrance, because I do have a lot of allergies. But I feel like with these products, it's like not too strong of a scent. So that's one thing that really has stood out to me. And I have had multiple people, no lie, ask me what perfume I was wearing when I was actually just wearing the serums. So I have been using them basically head to toe. The Relure, I would say, is my favorite as far as scent and just overall, because it's the Tighten Tone one. So I have been using this on my boobs, my stomach, my butt, my thighs. The Resolve one I have been mixing in with my body lotion after the shower and just morning and night as well. And honestly, I know they say just twice a day, but there has been times where like I just applied it because I feel like it gives your skin this like beautiful glow. Like if you could see, there's like this almost like sheen to my skin. Like I said, I did try 3 of them and I've been mixing all of them. The Restart one, I've been focusing more on the back of my arms, and I really do feel like they feel a little bit smoother, which is crazy. So I think with any product, you know, you have to use it consistently for a longer period of time to like really see some major results. But I'll have to say, with me being consistent the past 2 weeks, like I'm actually blown away at how awesome these products are. So not only do I highly recommend them, I will continue to use them and repurchase when they get low, because I have a feeling I'm going to go through them rather quickly. So for all my fellow skincare junkies out there, I'm sure you guys have also tried so many different face products and face serums like throughout our lifetimes, myself included. And I feel like there just hasn't been a market for body stuff, and now especially, you know, as a new mom and all of that, I feel like this is like a perfect time for me to go out and try this stuff. And again, tell me what you guys think. Do you see a difference in the before and after? And I will mention that today I just got my period overshare, but I feel a little bit more bloated than normal, but I still feel like my skin looks a little bit tighter. Like it's not as loose. So for anyone interested in these Maelys Hyaluronic Serums that just launched, feel free to use my coupon code Carli15 at checkout. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I only recommend products that I truly love. So when I did the first half of this video, I was a little skeptical, but also very hopeful. And now that I have been using it for the past 2 weeks, I can definitely say these will be added into my everyday skincare routine, and I am a huge fan. So that is it for now. Let me know if you guys want more unboxings and reviews in the future. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.